Hello YouTube, Dylan here with another drawing video, and in this tutorial I will be showing you all how to draw one of the most popular Marvel supervillains, the Rhino. So sit back, relax, like this video, hit that subscribe button, get yourselves a pencil and a nice piece of paper. Let's begin. So we want to start with a basic large circle for the top of his head. And draw very lightly, so that way, when you make mistakes, you can erase them very easily. And then we put in the side lines for the side of his face. This side's going to have like a little bend, like a stretched out V. That's going to be his cheek and chin. Then you'll draw the curved side of his chin. Okay, and then we're going to put our center line. It's going to be a little below than usual because we are going to save room for that big, large horn on the top of his head. Then we're going to draw a line here for his nose and one for his mouth as well. And then we're going to make a curved line because he's turned to the side. That's going to be the middle of his face. And then we're going to draw a line that will serve as the guide for when the horn goes. He's wearing like a bit of a cowl around his head or helmet. Okay, so we got that. Then we're going to, maybe for starters, we could just put like a big circle here. That will be where it starts. Then you're going to curve this back side. Then you're going to draw this line here. And draw this end here. Okay, so we got that. Now, we need to draw his nose. Well, I thought the nose was going to be here, but it's actually like near the middle. This is more of the mouth. So I'll draw nose. And have extra pencils just in case you break one. And then you're going to put these two little squares on both sides for the nostrils of his nose. And then we're going to darken this top half of his helmet like this. And then we're going to draw these half circles. These will be his eyes. So we got the eyes, and then you're going to put some circles inside. We're going to have them mostly to the left so that he's like looking this way. And then you can make them black. And then we'll draw his mouth. So here's the upper lip. Here's he's not really going to smile. we're going to draw his lower lip. And then this is where we make him look like he's frowning. It starts out as a smile, but ends as a frown. Ironic, isn't it? Okay, then we're gonna beef up the side of his face. Then we're gonna draw get the bottom side of his chin. And then we need to raise this back just a little bit and then darken the side of his face. Then we're gonna beef up the chin. Then we're gonna darken the top side. We gotta get the back end too. And raise this back a little bit. And then you're gonna curve this end back here, like that. Okay, now we gotta draw his big horn. So we're gonna curve this end up. The line's gonna like stop like somewhere within there. Then you're gonna bring a point up here. And then you're gonna curve this end. And don't forget to get this end here. And you're gonna darken the side of that circle we put earlier. It's coming out like a cone, almost, only with a bend. So we got that. And then, as one last detail, you can draw this triangle shape at the top. Just like that. And then as a last touch, you can draw this. There's like this rhino eye that we see often on him. And then you could draw a line here for his neck. Maybe shoulder if you want. Anyways, then if you want, you can take the side of your pencil and shade in the area around his head gray. don't shade in the eye. Just take your time with shading. And then if you want, you can also make his two horns black, or antler, or whatever they're called on rhinos. Shade that black, and then repeat the same process on the horn. Just take your time shading, and please use the side. And you can fill in some spots if you have to. And there you have it. You have your very own picture of the rhino. Hope you all had fun. I'll see you next time.